Mike Tross from Parker's Estate Agency, and today you join me on Nightingale Road in South Lake, outside our latest construction, this 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. Set on a corner plot, this family home comprises of 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom, dining room, living room and a kitchen. Externally there's a private garden, garage and driveway parking. Located a stone's throw away from the ever popular South Lake, a short walk from local bus stops and early train station, along with local schooling such as South Lake Primary School. If this is your next move, contact Parker's Woodley on 01189 69 3999. Thank you.